Alright, simple ash bases. Let's get into this tutorial, guys. Cork, super glue, your best friend. Everyone knows this. If we're in the wargaming industry, it's we're gonna. I like to get the Dremel on the cork, get some divots, get some damage done to it. And nothing's straight in nature, so it's gonna allow your bases to look a bit more realistic. Skulls. What's an ash base without a couple of skulls on the base? You can clean it up, mold lines, etc. Vallejo diorama effects, big white container, cheap as chips. You can probably find alternatives. I love this stuff. I'm just gonna let it dry. Obviously use it liberally. Most texture paint. Just gonna airbrush that with a chosen charcoal color. I don't know what you prefer. I use Vallejo. We've got grey, you've got a lighter grey, and you've got a white. Brand doesn't matter. Citadel, Vallejo, either way. I like to grab the fan brush, and you're going to just dry brush that back and forth. Dry brushing, obviously, I'm sure you're quite aware, grabbing all those protruding and simple and not working its way into the crevices. It's going to allow it to really pop. Make sure I like to use the dimples in my thumb to check where my brush is at with loaded paint. So you're going to go a bit lighter now. A bit lighter, you're obviously working your way up to a highlight consistency. Super simple, takes like 2 minutes. I also like to grab some non-oil. I'm going to chuck that into the recesses just to create a bit more contrast that way. So yeah, literally a 3-step process and you have perfect ash bases. Obviously add some more skulls, add whatever you want. Cheers guys, have a good one.